Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Kalyani. Today our topic simple equation. Let's find the simple equations. I am giving here in this board some equations. Now find this variable. Here I am giving some variable. Let's find this variable value. Now first one is 7x minus 5 equal to 2x. It is the simple equations. Okay. Now let's see here. It is 7x minus 5 is the LHS. This side LHS and equal to it is RHS. LHS means left hand side. RHS is the right hand side. Now let's see here. 7x minus 5 equal to 2x. Now LHS terms then goes to RHS and RHS values then comes to LHS. Now here x term, here also x term. Then here 7x is the 7 multiply with the x, that is called as 7x. Then here 2 multiply with the x, that is called 2x. Here 2x is the plus term. RHS side plus term. Next comes to LHS. That's why here replace with the minus. Minus 2x equal to here constant minus 5. Then goes to RHS. It is replaced with the plus term. Plus 5. Next here 7x minus 2x. Here x 7 minus 2 5. 5x equal to plus 5. Okay. Now let's see here. Here 5 multiply with the x. Then here goes to RHS. 5 divided by 5. Okay. Now here x equal to 5 1 5, 5 1 5. It is cancelled. X is equal to 1. Therefore x equal to 1. Okay. Now let's see here second one. First one is completed. Now let's see second one. 5x minus 12 equal to 2x minus 6. It is also some simple equation. Simple equations. It having variable. Here variable x. Here also variable x. It is the LHS. It is the RHS. Now let's see here some constant also there here minus 12 and minus 6. Here LHS equal to what is this? 5x minus 12. It is the LHS. Next RHS equal to what is this? 2x minus 6. It is the RHS. Now here LHS and RHS. Let's find this values. 5x minus 12 equal to 2x minus 6. Next here also x, here also x. Then I am writing here x terms one side. 5x it is having plus, then comes to this side replace with the minus. 5x minus 2x equal to here having minus 6. Here having minus 12. Then goes to this place minus 12. Okay. Now let's see here 5x minus 2x. X terms I am writing 5 minus 2. What is this? 3. 5 minus 2 comes with the number 3 equal to minus 6 here. Here comes with the minus 12 comes with the plus 12. Then here what is this? Plus 12 minus 6 comes with the 6. X equal to here 3 multiply with the x, then goes to RHS. 6 divided by 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6. X is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to 2. It is the value variable x value 2. Okay, it is the simple equation completed. Now let's see here another one. Rub this place. Next another one, 7p minus 3 equal to 3p plus 8. Here having variable p, LHS side also having p variable and RHS also variable p. It is constant minus 3, it is constant plus 8. This is called a simple equation. Now let's see, find this value of p. Okay, 7p minus 3 equal to, what is this value? Value is LHS and 3p plus 8 is the RHS. Okay, now after that find this value, p terms right one side. 7p here having plus 3, then comes with LHS, that is 3p. 7p minus 3p equal to plus 8. Here minus having, then comes with plus 3. Okay, 7p minus 3. P I am writing here, p variable. Next after that 7 minus 3. What is this value? 7 minus 3, 4. 4p equal to 8 plus 3. What value coming here? 8 plus 3. 8 after 3 counting. After that here comes 11. Next here 4 multiply with p. 4 multiply with p. Then goes to RHS. That's why here division by 4. Then p equal to 11 by 4. Okay. Therefore p equal to 11 by 4. It is the value of simple equation of value p equal to 11 by 4. Okay. This is the third one. After that, let's see here fourth one. Under this place, fourth one. What is this fourth one? 8m plus 9 equal to 7m plus 8. It is the one of the simple equation. Let's find this variable m. Next here also m value. LHS side also m. Next RHS sides also m value. Now here constant. Then here LHS equal to 8m plus 8. 8m plus 9. Next RHS equal to 7m plus 8. It is the LHS and RHS is completed. After that write this value, 8m plus 9 equal to 7m plus 8. It is the given that value. Now it finds this m value, variable m value. I am writing here 8m to 8m. It is the LHS value. Now next comes with the RHS value, comes this LHS side. That's why here plus replace with the minus. 8m minus 7m equal to here 8. After that here plus 9 replace with the minus 9. Okay. Now let's see here m term to n term. I am writing here m term. After that 8 minus 7. What is that value? 1m. Okay. Equal to minus 8 minus 9. It is minus value is bigger. That's why I am keeping here minus. And 8 minus 9. That only comes with 1. M value, m multiply with 1. Then goes to this place. Minus 1 divided by 1. Next m equal to minus 1. Therefore m equal to minus 1. It is the value of m equal to minus 1. It is the simple equation. Variable m is equal to, what value is coming here? Minus 1 coming. Okay. After that it is the fourth one is completed. Now let's see here Fifth one, and at this place. Fifth one, what is this? 7z plus 13, 2z plus 4. Okay, it is the given that value plus 4. In this given that value, here also z value, here also z value. LHS side also z value and RHS side also z value. Let's find this in these simple equations. Okay, now let's see here what is this LHS. LHS sides 7z plus 13 and RHS side what is this value? 2z plus 4. Okay, now let's see here. I am writing here given that value again 7z plus 13 equal to 2z plus 4. It is the given that value. Now z terms write one side and constant writes another side. Now let's see here 7z it is the LHS side. Now let's see here RHS side 2z, then it is the plus 2z, right, comes with the LHS, that is called minus 2z equal to here plus 4 here minus 13 replace with plus replace with minus. Okay, 7z here zz. Okay, now let's see here 7 minus 2. What is this value? Value of 5 equal to here 4, here 13. 13 minus 4 minus 13. Here biggest one is the minus having. That's why I am keeping here minus. 4 minus 13. What value is coming? Value is 9. 4 after counting 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. It is the value of 9. Okay. Here z multiply with 5. Then it is the LHS equal LHS side multiplying. Then goes to RHS. That place is replaced with division. Minus 9 division by 5. Okay. It is the value of z minus 9 by 5. Now let's see here. Therefore, z equal to minus 9 by 5. It is the simple equation. In given that simple equations, z value. Z is equal to minus 9 by 5. Now let's see here. Fifth one is completed. Now let's see sixth one. Shall rub this in this place. Sixth one. 9y plus 5 equal to 15y minus 1. It is having also one variable. Here also y, here also y. It is the LHS value is having y and RHS also having y. Now let's see here. LHS side 9y plus 5. It is the LHS value. Now let's see here RHS value. What is this? 15y minus 1. It is the RHS. Now let's see, it is given that value 9y plus 5 equal to 15y minus 1. It is the given that value. I am writing here y terms one side and constant side another side. Now let's see here 9y is the LHS value, then RHS value plus 15y. It comes with the LHS that replace with the minus 15y equal to here minus 1 minus 1. Okay. Now let's see here plus replace with the minus, here having number 5. Okay. Now let's see here y term. Okay. 9 minus 15. 15 minus 9. What is that value? 6. Okay. 6 or 7? 6. Equal to here minus 1 minus 5. What is this value? minus into here minus biggest one, minus into minus plus, okay, 1 plus 5 6, it is having plus, it is having to the plus. Next y multiply with 6, y multiply with 6 here, then goes to RHS division by 6, 6 division by 6, okay, y is equal to 6 1 is 6, 6 1 is 6, then cancel both one. Next y is equal to 1, therefore y is equal to 1. Its value is a simple equation, constant y value 1. Okay, now let's see here another one. What is the sixth one is completed. Now let's see seventh one. I am rub this place. Seventh one, what is that value? 3x plus 4 equal to 5 into x minus 2. It is the given that value. Here having x terms. Here x terms. Then multiply with the 5. One step I am giving here. 3x plus 4. Then x minus 2 multiply with the 5. That's why here 5 ones are 5 into x minus 5 into 2. Okay. It is the step 1. Next step 2. 3x plus 4 equal to 5 into x, 5x minus 5 to the 10. Okay. It is the value of terms x. Simple equation terms x terms are having here. Now write here LHS side and RHS side. LHS equal to 3x plus 4 and RHS equal to 5x minus 10. Okay. Now let's see here in given that value 3x plus 4 equal to 5x minus 10. It is the given that value. Now write still LHS side, RHS side, x terms are having. In write one side and it's constant also, LHS side constant and RHS also constant, and write to another side. I am taking here 3x, here plus 5x, then comes to with the LHS side, then minus 5x equal to, here having minus 10, LHS side plus 4, then goes to RHS side, then here 4. Okay, now let's see here 3x minus 2x minus 5x, here x terms. Here minus is big value, that's why I am keeping here minus. After that 5 minus 3, what is that value? 2. 2x equal to, here 10 minus 10 minus 4, what value is coming? 14. Okay. Next here minus 2 multiply with the x, that's why here x is equal to, here multiply then goes to RHS, that value is coming with minus 2. Okay. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14. X is equal to 7. Therefore x is equal to 7. In simple equations the value is, what is it? Its value is x is equal to 7. It is the simple equations. Now 7th one is completed. Now let's see here 8th one. I am at this place. 8th one. What is this value? 3 into t minus 3 equal to 5 into 2t minus 1. 5 into 2t minus 1. This is the t value. Now here t minus 3, then multiply with the 3. Here 2t minus 1, then multiply with the 5. Now first step here 3 into t, 3 into t minus here. After that 3 into 3. Okay. Now let's see here 5 into 2t, 5 into 2t minus 5 into minus 1. Okay, now let's see here. 3 into t, 3t minus 3 3 is a 9. Okay, equal to 5 into 2, 5 2 is a 10, t minus to minus plus 5 1 is a 5. It is the value of simple equations. Now let's see here. I am writing here t term, here also t term. Then comes with the one side 3t minus 10t. Okay. Here plus comes with the minus equal to plus 5 minus 9. Here minus, then comes with the plus. Now here 70 equal to here 14. 5 plus 9. What value is coming? 14. Now here t. Multiply with the 7. Then comes this plus 14 divided by 7. Division. 7 1 is 7. 7 2 is 14. T is equal to 2. Therefore, t is equal to 2. It is the simple equation. Variable t equal to 2. It is the 8th one also completed. Now let's see here 9th one. I am writing here. Ninth one. What is this value of 9? 5 into p minus 3 equal to 3 into p minus 2. It is the value of simple equations. Now let's see here p minus 3, then multiply with 5 equal to p minus 2 multiply with the 3. This is the simple equation. It is having first step. What is this? 5 into p. 5 into p minus 5 into 3 equal to 5 into p minus 5 into 3. Next step 3 into p minus 3 into 2. Okay. Now let's see here 5 into p, 5p minus 5 3 is 15 equal to 3 into p, 3p minus 3 2 is 6. It is the simple equations. Now let's see here LHS value 5p minus 15 and RHS value 3p minus 6. Okay, it is the LHS and RHS is finding. After that, in given that value 5p minus 15 equal to 3p minus 6. It is the simple equations. Now let's see here 5p. P terms write one side and constants write another side. Next here 5p minus 3p equal to minus 6 here, minus 6 here, minus 15 goes to plus 15. Okay. Now 5p minus 3p. Here p value p, 5 minus 3 2. Okay. Now let's see here minus 6 plus 15. What is that value? 9. Okay. P equal to, it is multiply with the p, then goes to this place 9 by 2. Okay. Therefore p equal to 9 by 2. Okay, it is the simple equation. Now 9. Now 9th one is completed. Now let's see here 10th one. I am left this place. 10th one. What is the 10th? See here 5 into z plus 3 equal to 4 into 2z plus 1. It is the value of simple equations. Now let's see here first z plus 3. Z plus 3 into 5. It is z plus 3 multiply with 5 and 2z plus 1 multiply with 4. Now first step here 5 into z plus 5 into 3. Okay. Now let's see here LHS is completed. Now let's see here RHS. 4 into 2z plus 4 into 1. It is the RHS side is completed. Okay, now next step 5 into z, 5z plus 5 3 is 15, 4 2 is 8. Here having z, I am writing here z. After that 4 1 is 4. Okay. Now let's see here LHS and here RHS. Now let's see here, find this LHS. LHS equal to what is that value? 5z plus 15, and RHS value what is this? 8z plus 4. It is the RHS. Now let's see here, given that simple equation, what is this? 5z plus 15 equal to 8z plus 4. It is the simple equations. Now let's see here, z terms write one side and constant side another side. 5z minus, it is plus having, that comes to this place, replace with the minus 8z equal to 4. Here having plus 15, then goes to RHS, replace with the minus, that's why here 15. Now see here z terms, that's why I am writing here z. 5 minus 3, 5 minus 8, sorry, 5 minus 8, what is that value? Minus 3. It is the big one is the minus 8, that's why I am keeping here minus 3z equal to 4 minus 15, what is that value? 11. Okay, now let's see here z equal to, it is minus 3 is multiply with the z, then goes to this place, RHS side, 11 by minus 3. Okay, here therefore z equal to 11 by minus 3. It is the value of z. It is the simple equation of value of z equal to 11 by 3. Okay, these are all completed. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one, ninth one, 10th one also. It is the completed. Okay, thank you.